This is my virtual office. As you can see, I can open multiple windows with different apps, work on my 3D models and use my desktop at the same time. I'm also doing this using my keyboard and mouse. I have seen that a lot of people would like to work in VR or play 2D games like emulators in a virtual room. That's why I'm making this tutorial to teach you how to do this in Windows Mixed Reality. My name is Dave and this channel is about virtual reality and 3D modeling. So if you don't want to miss the next video, make sure to subscribe. Now let's start with the tutorial. You can navigate in Windows Mixed Reality with your controller, but also you can do it with your mouse and keyboard. To move with your mouse, press the right mouse button to bring up the teleportation reticle. Move it to the place you want to go and release the button. You can also press the right mouse button and use the scroll wheel to rotate, like this. I prefer to use my mouse and keyboard because I can use my apps the same way I use them on my PC desktop. Also, the Windows Mixed Reality controllers consume batteries very fast, so if you are working with your mouse and keyboard, you can turn off your controller and save batteries. To open an app, you press the Windows key in your keyboard, and in this menu, you select your app. If you can't find your app, click All Apps. You can pin your favorite apps for easier access. Sometimes your app can be located in Classic Apps. You can organize your windows however you want. You can move them and change their size, or put them farther or closer with your mouse scroll wheel. Your mouse cursor can seamlessly navigate between apps, and you can use your app just like in your desktop. Another thing I like about Windows Mixed Reality is that when you open an app, it is automatically optimized for viewing in VR. As you can see here, everything looks bigger in the Blender VR windows, and in the desktop windows is smaller. It's very hard to read in the desktop windows, but in the Blender app I can read perfectly. I'm going to show you another example with Brave browser. Here is the desktop version. At this distance, it's very hard for me to read the text. Now let's open a new Brave Windows in VR. As you can see in these new windows, the text and icons are bigger and I can read everything fine. But what happens if your app is not on this menu? I'm going to teach you how to add any app to this menu so you can use it in VR. You need to find your app location, copy the exe, and then go to this location and paste shortcut. Now restart Windows Mixed Reality and find your app in the Classic Apps menu. That is all for today. I hope this information is useful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.